Grabe naman kasi yung mga Nepo babies, like, and to flaunt it and to say na your dad's your ATM.
Love you, Dad!
Like, barf, kakasuka, okay?
Okay, dito ako natatawa eh. So, these kids, syempre, some of them will say, di ko naman talaga alam kung saan galing yung money,
Money ni Daddy. Oh my gosh.
Sitingin sa Rolex. Parang inisip ko, okay, fine. Pero to be so...
Out of touch na eh.
Kasi okay, ito rin naman ang inisip ko sa mga parents na to. What good did you seriously think of extending that much wealth to these kids?
They just spoiled them rotten.
Rotten na eh. Yung
Oo.
talagang ang sangsang na.
Oo.
It's not even reasonable.
You know, I really blame the parents eh. Sila yung nag-condition sa kids nila to be like, you know, acquire. And it's so sad because I'm sure na these people at the core of it think na that's the way to get respect. That's the way to be, alam mo yun, tingalain ka in your community. Just acquire wealth no matter the means. Yun eh. Doon nila kinuha yung value nila in society.
Yeah.
Naninakawan din naman nila yung mga tao. It's so messed up. And yun lang, parang it just also goes to show, it's really the condition of the heart of man, na hindi talaga siya, it's insatiable. Gets mo ba yan? Alam mo ba meaning nun?
Spell. Insatiable. Ano na lang, greedy.
Hindi, diba? Hindi sila nakukontento. Parang,
It's never enough.
Oo eh. And yun nga, the more you keep feeding that monster, the more it grows too. So, yun
I wonder
talaga.
though, like, now that sumabog, grabe kasi. Bilog ang mundo, grabe.
Oo.
From flaunting your money, kasi iniisip ko, okay, tayo, yung ibang Nepo baby, kilala natin eh, kasabay natin sa vlogging world eh.
Oo.
'Di ba? Na nakita natin sila, humble beginnings, nagse-set up ng Vloggers United.
Oo, may
katabi
mga
natin
booth
ang
pa yan sa
table,
mga
nagbebenta ng
bazaar.
gamit. Oo, nagbebenta ng second-hand things.
Oo nga.
Tapos parang
Biglang naging alta sobra.
biglang naging alta
Naging
sobra.
luxury KOLs.
Biglang di mo na makausap for some reason. Like, why do you do that?
Yeah, weird.
Weird. Sobrang strange to me na, okay,
Sobrang
fine.
kadire, actually.
Tapos, now that they're up there, I wonder though, parang was there a time na they ever thought, this is too much?
Yun nga.
Hindi naman ako Nepo baby, pinaghihirapan ko naman yung pera ko. Pero minsan, papaisip din ako na, Lord, dami naman ito. Parang, thank you naman, Lord. Diba? Pero sila kasi...
Ganun din sila. Thank you naman, Lord. Ang dami naman ito.
Hindi, pero may kasunod.
Sige.
Now, how do I purpose these blessings
Oo.
for a gooder cause?
Gooder.
I share it with you.
Thank you, Lord.